Okay, welcome once again to our page. You need to subscribe to our page, follow for more videos like this, subscribe, like our videos, follow for more page like this. Okay, think on this houses. I'm going to have a wall here. This design here is, I think it's of no use anymore. Let me adjust this wall to this wall because I want to leave this wall higher. I want to lift this higher. Let me lift it higher so that it will be in line with this edge. To be in line with this edge. To be in line with that edge. Something needs to come higher to be in line with this edge, else it's not going to work out. So therefore, we need to lift this wall to this extent. So therefore, let me do this quickly before we go for window hood applications. I'll do this, delete, do this quick. Okay, have it. I went to level 3 to achieve that. Because actually I'm going to see the work perfectly. So I've achieved it, so I can still raise this one up. Wherever I am. The level I have, there's no problem with that. Just to add 300 plus 150, which is 180, which is 1800. Okay, or something good like this. So the wall is now, so I need to fit in this wall with the other cut area. Edit. Move constraint. Move constraint. Okay, finish. Just something like this. We're good to go. Now what is happening at the front? Okay. This front needs to come down to this level, to this extent. Let's do that quickly. So, trimmer, cut. Therefore, this wall needs to stop at the height of 3000. To stop at the height of 3000. 3000. Finish. Okay. So we'll have our wall going this way, like this, like this, like this, all the way. So have a lower roof all here, all through, extension, lower roof, all the way. So therefore, let's start with a massing work, placing massing and adjusting of the roofs, of the heights, of the extensions, all of that. We're going to do that now. This is how to do massing on Revit 209. Let's pick a wall. we're going to work with. Let's work with this area. What is here? There's something here. Is your room? It's supposed to be what? It's supposed to be okay. There's a wardrobe here. Okay. The wardrobe there. No windows coming there. Okay. This is how to do our model, mason, create mason. Okay. Solid strip, solid form, solid strip, sketch, set up a panel, pick a plane. This is when you have to, okay, that's when you have to, if we have to pick, if we have to attach the mason at the wall, that's when we do this. I have to pick square pen so to get it at once, the 4 region at once. You can still pick a single pen if you want to. Finish part, edit, to take me to a location where already this face is at the right wing. The right wing should be at the eastern region, while the front is at the southern region. So when we say edit, it's going to ask us, okay, we zoomed, that's why we lost it. So let's go to the northern region to pick our pen. It's neither taking northern region or taking southern region. Let's take south region, then pick our pen. We zoomed, that's why. So now let's take a window hood, a simple window hood of this. Now let's measure what is the thickness we're living with. Let me say here I'm having probably 70. Okay, let's say 50. And here, let's say 100. That's 150 total. Let's project with 4 inches. Let's say 50-50. The length, what the length from here, let's say 50 equally, and here let's say 100, so I'm having something like this. Is it too crafty? Okay, let's say here should be 70, while the upper should be 30. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. This sort of achieved. Can set this mason. Set this. Okay. Let's set, if you highlight it, right click, element property, excuse me, view property, I mean to say, not element property, view property, edit, the first edit, then show categories and style objects, then take the first massing, just check for massing property. This is massing. You can change it for anything, but let's say this we're using the default massing here. Default massing, you can change it to anything. Replace default massing. I'm going to pick a very white stuff, probably. Glancing through to see a material I could make use of. Let me use a white plastic, smooth plastic stuff like this. Okay, let me take settings to very white stuff like this. Okay. Upload. So what is happening on my graph graph using the rendering appearance which I just set. Okay, 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 okay. So this is it. Okay, this is the appearance is going to come out too. I just want to set the material. You can say after we might have finished, we now set. Therefore, let me just do this quickly. Copy. Paste. At this point, we don't need to remove. It's of no use of removing it. Just need to edit it. No need to start drawing another one. Just edit, swept. If you've not followed our last video when we did this, you need to go and watch the video when we did massing detailing. But here we're going to have some critical mass too, but this is not just doing a window for now. We want to have some designer of massing. That's why we bring up this design, so we can navigate, finish, finish, finish. Okay, something is happening here. What is this? This is 2200. Go up for 2200. Okay, doesn't want to pick up dimension at the top. We'll do this to get it. Copy, take it up. Okay, is on it. Then copy, copy, cancel material, copy. Then we're going horizontal, so to get that height right. That was the window we added lastly. Wow, we're having it's been inside. It's not the same height. I have the window to be somewhere here. Let's go to 3D. Pull it off. It is locked very well. And the wall you want to. Okay. So the window be placed right to the height, but not horizontal move to the height, which is this. Then this should go horizontal move to lock it up. Still on this wall, copy. Let's lock up something here. Edit. Edit. Highlight. Edit. I want to work on the line, not the design itself. Not the line. The working environment. Okay. Finish. Short. Finish massing. I'll have something like this. Okay. I think this wall. Let's see if this wall are in line with the other one. This wall is in line with this one. So this window had to go with this also. So this is how to run a window hood. Copy. Edit. Highlight. Edit. So finish. So this wall is still there. Copy. Bring it down. We're having a little misconception here. This is for the kitchen. On this upper region, it's not supposed to be kitchen window. It's supposed to be window 1. Yes. I think we're supposed to have another window there too. Let's check. Supposed to have another window again. Window 1 again. Let's pick it quickly. Window 1. Okay, so let's go back there. The height should be this. So 100, 700, edit, edit, edit the line inside, edit, finish parts, finish threads, finish mason, then copy, highlight and copy, move, okay, copy, okay, copy. So we want to extend, we're through this face, want to extend the other way around. We'll go up, rotate this to this way, okay, bring it back this way, check if it's lapping very well on the wall, okay, then move this way, this is upstairs, so this window is meant to be window 1. It's meant to be window 1. We will not change it because our window 3, window 2 is a kitchen window. Copy. Move this way. Change the window. Okay, you can still change it from here. Number 1. Okay. Finish. So therefore, now we're bringing this down. Okay. then changing the dimension of this, edit. When we finish this window hood, I'm going to stop. When we finish this face, finish, do 2 times, finish masking. I'm going to stop the design so that we can do others offline. Then when we start other designs, copy, we'll bring it up again online. It's taking time in editing. Okay, copy, just edit completely since we're editing. Edit, no matter the size you are going, no matter the design, no matter the size, it's going to carry it. You have already done your design already with the measurement you want. Any design you want to modify, you're free. Since you're through, put it at any window you want to. So I think let me use this, copy, bringing it down here. Let me go to the floor plan. I'm going to see something like that there. So window 1. Place it rightly. Let's go back to save the 3D to see what we're doing. Okay, copy, place it here. Copy, place it here. Copy. This is how I'm equally going to, okay, this dimension here, we did something here. Okay, so 700, Ctrl Z, seven hundred plus 2 to 150. $700 plus 150, 1,500. We're going to have 2,200. 2,200. Where is the height it should go? What are we doing? Just edit. Since we're editing, edit, pick it the line, pick it up, adjustments, pick it up, adjustments, finish swept, finish mask. So that's how we go about all of them. Copy, send here like that. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please deem it fit to do that. Follow for more content, useful content like this. Copy this extent, because I know fully well I have a window here like that. Okay. Okay. Copy. Edit. 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 Finish. Finish.